Hi everyone! This short guide is for you to understand the basic email tracking setting options and what each of them implies. At first, click the gear icon to go to Settings. Enable push notifications. When this setting is enabled, you will receive the on-screen notification about each email that was opened. This is primarily needed to be able to answer or follow up customers within the shortest time frame. For this setting to work, you will also have to enable browser notifications. Enable private notes. If you turn on this option, email tracking will create a private note within the ticket with the information concerning the ticket opens. Namely, the info about the exact time your response was received and opened. If you disable this feature, the private note won't be created. However, you'll still be able to distinguish between the seen and unseen emails by creating a specific ticket view. Enable comment body. With this one enabled, you will be able to see all the details about the time your ticket comment was sent and opened together with the comment body. If you disable this setting, you will still receive the private note with comments sent and open time, but without its body. Note: for this setting to work, make sure you have the Enable Private Notes setting on. Disable tracking for EU recipients and California residents. Both of these are meant for the application to be compliant with GDPR and CCPA. The tracking for audiences from these zones will be turned off, so that you won't violate the privacy regulations implied. Send report. With this setting enabled, you allow the app to collect your application data and send the report to our team so that we can identify any possible issues and contact you about them proactively. Manage blacklisted IP addresses. Views from these IPs won't be tracked, since the list automatically includes all agents' IPs. We have a separate detailed guide for those wondering what are blacklisted IP addresses and why do you need those. Check it out for an explanation and contact us before submitting any changes. Let's overview the right part of the page. You can select triggers to track email opens from your agent workspace. If they are disabled, you will receive a notification with a suggestion to enable triggers in the settings menu every time you view a ticket. Notify requester of the received request and notify requester of comment update are necessary to turn on if you need to track the reply opens in the agent workspace. Otherwise, the tracking will just not work. Selection of ticket view is also available in the settings menu. You can choose specific ticket views to display the unseen and seen emails in them. The unseen column is always shown on the left side in the Views tab. Select User Panel means you can choose a specific agent for the admin role to check the advanced statistics for all agents and groups. Add one or several agents if needed. Track CC and followers. Switch the toggle and copy the shortcode to Zendesk settings. Follow the link in the description to read a detailed guide about tracking CCs and followers. Create replied trigger. Enable the trigger to update the replied index on the statistics page. And that's it for the email tracking settings page. If something is unclear or you have any additional questions, make sure to contact our super helpful support agents. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit GrowthDot.com.